In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create tag in Freshsales Crm. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your records inside Freshsales. When you create clear tags, it becomes easier to filter lists, group similar contacts or deals, and keep your team aligned on how records should be labeled. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to go in Freshsales to create a new tag and a few tips to help you name it in a way that stays consistent over time. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and find the admin settings area. This is the section with the gear icon. Select that gear icon to open your admin options. Since tags affect how records can be categorized across your account, they are managed from within these administrative settings rather than from a single contact or deal view. Next, within admin settings, navigate to account settings. Account settings is where you manage shared configuration options for your Freshsales account. Inside account settings, locate and select tags. This will bring you to the tag management page, where you can create and maintain tags used throughout the system. On the tags page, focus on the section labeled record tags. Record tags are used for labeling records, such as contacts, accounts, leads, or other items your team tracks. In the record tags area, find the field that says add a tag. Click into that box and type the name of the tag you want to create. When you name your tag, keep it short and descriptive so it is easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a tag that reflects a customer segment, a lead source, a priority level, or a campaign name. It also helps to follow a consistent style, such as using the same capitalization format each time. This reduces duplicates that look similar but are spelled differently. After you have typed the tag name into the Add a Tag box, click Add. Once you click Add, the tag is created and becomes available to use when labeling records in Freshsales. At this point, your new tag is ready to help you organize and search your CRM records more efficiently. And that is all there is to it.